This is EBSEC's online support program for grade 11 and 12. Today the topic of discussion is transition words. We will talk about the transition words, then their purpose, and also the position of transition words in sentences. The objective that we have is after having this lesson, students will be able to learn the transition words. They would be able to use transition words to improve their writing skills. Also, they would have ideas to connect another ideas and to logically organize ideas as well. So what are transition words? Let's see. These are some sentences. Look at these. She was given the award. She was given scholarship. The stores will be open daily. The store will not open on Sundays. She has one sister. She has no close relative. Fast cars make up highway traffic. Slow trucks make up highway traffic. She stopped at the door. She could listen to her mother. We are letting you go. You are fired. I pushed the chair. He fell down. I hope that these sentences do not make sense at all clearly. So, how do we use transition words to give some meaning to it? Now look at this. Besides the award, she was given a scholarship. We use two sentences to make up this one sentence using that transition word, which is besides. The stores will be open daily except Sunday. Look at it. Two sentences actually comprise into one sentence. Other than one sister, she has no close relative. Again, not only fast cars but also slow trucks make up highway traffic. Again, two sentences composed into one sentence by using these transition words. She stopped at the door so that she could listen to her mother. We are letting you go. In other words, you are fired. I pushed the chair. As a result, he fell down. Hopefully that you are getting the idea what is the transition words. So, what are the transition words? A transition is a word or phrase that shows the relationship between paragraphs or sections of a text or speech. Transitions provide greater cohesion by making it more explicit or signaling how ideas relate to one another. Transitions are bridges that carry a reader from section to section. Transition words are used to connect phrases, words, and clauses. These are phrases or words that are used to connect one idea to the next. So what is the purpose of using transition words? Transition words are used because what they do, they convey information clearly and concisely. They establish logical connections between sentences and paragraphs. They establish relation between sentences. Also, they provide direction how to piece ideas together into logically coherent whole. They also help readers progress from one significant argument to other. Now, purpose of using transition words. These are some transition words. To show continuation, you may use next, hence, also, further, furthermore, additionally, moreover, following this, to continue, or in addition. To give an example, you may use to exemplify, for example, to demonstrate, to clarify in a detail, for instance, as evidence, to elucidate, to point out, to enumerate, to conclude something. These words are used, hence, in conclusion, in summary, to sum up, on the whole, all in all, overall, in final analysis, as shown above, by and large. To emphasize something, we use words like markedly, especially, specifically, expressively, surprisingly, frequently, significantly. With this in mind, important to realize another key point. When we want to show some space or place, we use in the middle, to the left, right, on this side, in the distance, in the foreground, in the background, in the center of, here and there, adjacent to, opposite to. When we want to show some time, we use until now, sooner or later, to begin with, in due time, in the meantime, at the present time, as soon as, in a moment, without delay, at this instant. To show some correlation, as, just as, and as, both, and, either, or, neither, nor, not only, but also, whether or not, but. To show similarity, we use like, as, also, than, and, uniquely, equally, identically, to, and again. So purpose of using transition word again, for emphasize, we use these words for addition, contrast, order, result, illustration, comparison, summary, reason, condition, concession, or generalization. I insist you to go through these slides again and again, especially these specific use of transition words. If you learn them, if you memorize them, it will definitely help you out for writing good pieces of text. So position of transition word, most of these appear in 4 basic places in a sentence. In the beginning, like since I have seen you, I am feeling better. In the middle of a sentence, like our company is stronger if it is bound by love rather than by fear. I use water when making dough, whereas my mother uses milk. Between 2 sentences, like we have done before in the examples of sentences, the report is badly presented, moreover it has wrong data. In the end also, I think I would have made a difference in this case. So what is the task? You have a task to do. You have to read this whole paragraph, and then you need to find out transition words. Start doing it, and I insist you to go through the slides again to get better understanding of it, and then attempt this question. Students, if you have any questions, you are free to ask, but I urge you to go through the slides again and try to, if you want to memorize, you may memorize it, and think about the transition words whenever you read anything, any book, any text, and then try to pick the transition words in it. If you do this practice, this will definitely help you out for gaining better knowledge of transition words, and as well as to use in your writing pieces. Thank you so much.